How to fix could not connect on Steam. If you video like this, click that subscribe button and that bell icon on so you'll be updated if there are more uploads in this channel. So first we are here on our desktop, and what we would do if Steam is not connecting. So Steam is still running, just click on the bottom right here, right click and click on exit. So this will restart Steam and it will restart, and of course it will stop for the Steam to run. You can also do this in the task manager by clicking here. If there is Steam running, just click on Steam and end task. And what you would do next is go to the Steam icon, click on properties, and then here under shortcut click on space. So that would change the DNS of your Steam application, and go to compatibility, and in here, so we will make it compatible. So check on run application as an administrator. Just click on it and click apply. So there will be a prompt here. Just click on continue. So once you have been able to select continue, it will apply all of the changes and there will be no more problems in opening up your Steam account or your Steam application. So I hope this helps and see you on the next video.